Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn the decimal fraction. Earlier we have studied how to convert fraction into the decimal numbers. Now in today's topic I am teaching you how to convert decimal numbers into the fraction. First of all, we have to recap about how to convert fraction into the decimal number. For that I am having an example, that is 4 by 3 by 4, and here we want to convert this fraction into the decimal number. What is the decimal number? Earlier you already studied that for converting the fraction into the decimal number, what we have to do? Yes, we have to write the denominator into the tens multiple. So we have to convert this denominator into the multiple of tens. So for that I am writing here 4 into 25. Similarly, when we are taking a number to multiplying the denominator, there is a rule in the fraction. We have to take the same number to multiply the numerators also. So here it will become 75 and this is 100. Now how to convert it into the decimal? There are 1 and 2 zeros, and from the right hand side of yours you have to move to the left hand on your numerator and it will be get converted into the decimal. So how can we do that? 0, 0 will get cancelled, and from here we will take 2 jumps. As we are having 2 zeros here, so the 2 jumps are 1 and 2, and we will get our decimal point here. So our answer is 0.75. It means while we are converting the fraction 3 upon 4, we will get the decimal number, that is 7.75, and that is our final answer. This we have done in our previous class. Here we are going to learn, can we convert decimals into the fraction form? So the answer is yes. How? Here in this lesson we are going to learn how to convert the decimal numbers into the fraction form. So let us start with the topic without wasting the time. I am taking a simple example, that is 1.2. Now the first way to solve this sum is very simple. Just you have to check our number, that is 1.2. You have to check how many numbers are there after decimal point. First of all, we are taking the jump into the left hand side. Now we will go from the left to the right. We will take only one jump. Here only one jump we can take. It means we will remove this decimal point, and as we are having only one number, we can write only 10 below that, and this 12 will be as it is. It means while we are removing this decimal point, we just have to see how many numbers are there after the decimal point, and that much zero should be added in front of a 1. Right? This is the first way to solve the sum. Now the second way. In the second way, what we have to do, the 1.2 number will be as it is. We can split and write this number in this form. 1 is whole number and 0.2 is added in that. So this one I am writing as it is, and this 0.2 I can write in this ways. Am I correct? Yes. Now I am thinking, if it is a 10, automatically the denominator of 1 is 1. It will become 1 upon 1. So for adding this, what I have to do the next is, I have to make this denominator and numerator into the tens form, or I can take the LCM of both the numbers. So for taking that, I can write this 1 into 10 and this will be 1 into 10. So here the 2 upon 10 will be as it is, and as this become 10 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. So while it goes into the equivalent fraction, we can add and we can keep the denominator as it is, and 10 plus 2 will be there. So we will get answer, that is 12 upon 10. This is as like as our first method. Getting? So what I am doing here, I am just splitting the decimal number into the whole and it's a 10th form. Then we will add this number. Then we can take the LCM of both the denominator and the numerator. Then again we will make the denominator in equivalent form, the fraction will be in equivalent form, and then we can add and we will get the number. So answer for this is 12 upon 10. This is the conversion of 1.2 into the fraction form. I hope you are getting. For clearing this topic in a very simple way, we can take another example. So for that, the next sum which I have, we can take any number. I am writing the fraction, that is the decimal point, that is 3.5. Now again, in the same method, in the first way, I can remove this decimal number from here, and this I am writing in this way, 35 upon 10. But in the second way, if I want to write in the second way this number, I can make the two groups of 3.5 and there I will write whole number as it is and I will add 0.5 in this number. So 3 I am keeping as it is. I can write 1 as denominator. 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10. If I again want to make the denominator same, I can take the LCM of this, or I can multiply the numerator and the denominator with 10. So I'll get 30 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10. So as the denominator of the both number are equal, I can write that 10 and this 30 plus 5 will be 35. So our answer will be 35 by 10. So answer for 3.5 is equal to 35 upon 10. So this is the method by which we can convert the decimal number into the fraction form. On the basis of that, I can take the more example and we will get the answer of that also. If now I am having the number 0.001. How do I convert 0.001 into the decimal form? So for that, the method is the same. We have to check how many numbers are there after decimal point. So here I am having 1, 2 and 3 number. So I can write it directly like 1 upon 1, 2, 3 zeros. So this is a 1000th form of the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. This is the simple answer. But if you want to do again in that method, so we can write this number as 0 and this will be 0.001. So this again can be written as 0.1 upon 1000. 1 upon 1000. So 0 when we multiplying and dividing with the same number, we can get the same again. So this will become 0 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1000. If I am multiplying this with the 1000, so this becomes 0 again and this will be 1000 plus 1 upon 1000 and this is 1 upon 1000. So conversion for the 0.001 will be in this method. I hope you are clearing with the topic. So this is how to convert the decimal numbers into the fraction form. Here it's a time to solve with our recapitulation exercise. So on the basis of both the topics, how to convert fraction into the decimal and decimal into the fraction, we are having some examples. So let us start with our first sum, that is convert fractions into the decimals. In that, the first is 15 upon 25. Now, how to convert 15 upon 25 into the decimal form? So as we learned that we have to convert the denominator into the multiple of a 10. So for that 15 will be as it is, and for that 25 into 4 if I am taking, so we have to multiply 15 with the 4 again. This will become 60 upon 100. This 0 will get cancelled, but still one more 0 is left here, so we can cut this and we will take one jump next to the left side of a 6, so we can get 0.6, and this is our answer. Second, that is 30 upon 20. So 30 upon 20, similarly we will converting 20 into the multiple of the 10. So this will become 20 into 5. So as we are taking denominator multiplying by 5, we will do the numerator also multiply by 5. So this is becoming now 65 upon 100, and your answer will be 0.65. As we are having 2 zeros here, so we can shift 2 and we will get answer 0.65. You can write 0.65 also. So this is our answer for convert the fraction into the decimal. Now the next is how to convert the decimal numbers into its fraction form. For that we will take another sums. Convert decimal numbers into fraction. I am writing number, you can take any number. I am writing 0.07. So for that I am writing this 0 as it is, and as I am having two numbers after the decimal point, so I am writing 100 below that, and my answer is 7 upon 100. So this is a conversion of 0.07 is equal to 7 upon 100. Second sum I am taking, that is 2.5. So for that I am writing this as 225 upon 10, and if I am doing this with divided by 5, so I can get 5 upon 2. So this is the conversion of 2.5 into in fraction form. The answer will be 5 upon 2. One more example I am taking, that is I can write 0.0329. So for that, as we are having after decimal point, we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 number. I have to take the 4 zeros below the number, that is 329 will be as it is, and I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So what answer I am getting, that is 329 with divided by 10,000. So this is the conversion of decimal into its fraction form.